Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So as you all know children that this is our online EVS class, and yesterday we have no EVS class because of the EVS mock test. Okay, now today we will continue with revision 2 of chapter number 7, that is Home Sweet Home. Day before yesterday we have completed our revision part 1 of the same chapter. Now today we are going to do revision number 2. Before starting revision 2 children, I hope you all have completed your revision 1 of the same chapter, and those children who have not completed, please complete that on time and please start learning also. Is that clear? Because very soon you will be having your exams, midterm exams, and you all know that in which pattern the examination question paper will be given to you all. So you have to just complete the whole exam of 50 marks, the whole question paper of 50 marks within a given period of time. Okay, within time limit only you have to complete that test. So please increase your handwriting speed, okay, and start learning and be prepared for your exams. Now coming back to our revision number 2 of chapter 7, that is Home Sweet Home. Today we are going to do some more exercise, and for today's first exercise is exercise A. Take the correct answers. Now here I will ask you some questions and I will give 3 options for it. Okay, as you all know, in the video I explain you with the answers, but in the when I don't with the assignment I don't give you the answers. I only write the questions and you have to write it on your own. Now with the first sentence is, which one is a temporary house? इनमें से कौन सा temporary house है? So the first one is hut, flat, bungalow. Now what is a temporary house children? The house which is not for long time. Okay, वो ज़्यादा दिन के लिए जो नहीं चल सकता वो कौन सा house होता है? Temporary house. So from these names, which is the temporary house? Hut, flat or bungalow? The temporary house का example कौन सा है? Correct answer is hut. So we will put a tick in front of hut. Is that clear? Now coming to the second part, that is very tall buildings are called dash. जो सबसे ज़्यादा tall buildings होती हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? First one is mansions, second is palaces, third is skyscrapers. So the correct answer for this question is skyscrapers. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of skyscrapers. Is that clear? Now coming to the third part, in hilly areas houses have dash roofs. हिली एरियाज में जो हाउसेज होते हैं उनकी रूफ्स कैसी होती हैं? आर दे फ्लैट, स्लोपिंग और सर्क्यूलर? इन हिली एरियाज वी हैव sloping roofs. Okay, houses have sloping roofs. So we will put a tick in front of sloping. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood. Once again I am repeating the same exercise. Which one is a temporary house? Hut, flat, bungalow? Correct answer is hut. So we will put a tick in front of it. Second question is, very tall buildings are called dash. Mansions, palaces, skyscrapers? So the correct answer is skyscrapers. So we will put a tick in front of it. Okay. Third sentence is, in hilly areas houses have dash roofs. Hilly areas में roofs कैसी होती हैं? So if they are flat, sloping or circular, correct answer is sloping. So we will put a tick in front of sloping. Is that clear children? Now coming to the second exercise, that is B exercise, complete the names of the houses. Now here I have written some clues. Okay, I have written some, I will give you some clues, and by reading that clues, that sentences, you have to answer that which kind of a house it is. Okay, so now coming to the first sentence, that is, it floats on water. So this is a clue for a house which floats on water. अब ये पढ़ के हमें पता चल गया कि कौन सा house water पे float करता है. That is a houseboat. So your answer will be houseboat. House, house, boat, houseboat. Is that clear? Coming to the second sentence, it moves on wheels. Now, which kind of house moves on wheel? That is caravans. caravans, caravans. Is that clear? Third is, it is easy to fold. Now, which kind of house is very easy to fold? It can be folded. So, the answer is tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Now, the last fourth sentence, fourth clue is, it is made of ice blocks. Now, which kind of a house is made from ice blocks? That is igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. And it is found in cold places, okay, where there is lot of ice. There only we can make ice house, that is igloos, okay. I hope you all have understood. Once again I am repeating. First one is, it floats on water, that is houseboat. Second is, it moves on wheels, that is caravans. Third is, it is easy to fold, tent. Fourth is, it is made of ice blocks, that is igloo. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the next exercise. Now coming to the last part, children, that is the C part. Write the names of the persons who. Okay, now here I will give you some clues again, and from these clues you have to make out that which person does this work, okay, to make a house. Is that clear? इस सेंटेंस को आपको पढ़ के ये बताना है कि कौन सा पर्सन क्या काम करता है. ये काम दिए हैं मैंने कि मेक्स द डिज़ाइन ऑफ अ हाउस, मेक्स द वॉल्स ऑफ द हाउस, डज द वुड वर्क. ओके, ये पढ़ के आपको बताना है कि कौन क्या काम करता है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज मेक्स द डिज़ाइन ऑफ अ हाउस. सो जब हाउस बनता है उसकी डिज़ाइन कौन बनाता है? दैट इज एन आर्किटेक्ट. ARCHITECT, architect. Again I am repeating, children, that this word is pronounced as architect. Architect is the wrong pronunciation. Is that clear? The word ARCHITECT is pronounced as architect. Is that clear? Now, first is makes the design of a house. Who makes the design? Architect. Now second is makes the walls of the house. So who makes the walls of the house? Mason. MASON, mason. Third is does the woodwork of the house. आपके घर में लकड़ी का काम कौन करता है? That is carpenter. CARPENTER, carpenter. Fourth is fits pipes and basins in the house. आपके घर में pipes, wash basins और taps कौन लगाता है, कौन फिट करता है? He is a plumber. PLUMBER, plumber. Is that clear? Now the fifth one is lays wires and fits switches. आपके घर में wires और switches की fitting कौन करता है? That is an electrician. ELECTRICIAN, electrician. And in the last, paints the walls, doors and windows. आपके घर में walls, doors और windows की painting कौन करता है? That is a painter. PAINTER, painter. Again I am repeating. Makes the design of the house, architect. Makes the walls of the house, mason. Does the woodwork of the house, carpenter. Fits pipes and basins in the house, plumber. Lays wires and fits switches, electrician. And paints the walls, doors and windows, painter. So that is all for today, children. I hope you all have understood, and I hope you will all complete this work, revision number 2, in your revision notebooks, and please start learning also. Is that clear? And as you have given the mock test yesterday, so from that you have understood in which pattern the exam will be conducted. So please increase your writing speed also. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, please complete your work and learn this chapter. Till then, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.